Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the FPS limit in Iron Nest. Let's begin by pressing the settings menu here on the main menu screen to open the settings. You can also access it from the menu. You can open it by using the escape key, then simply opening settings. Right. Once you are here, select graphics and under display look for FPS limit. You can set it as low as 30, then go up step to 45, 60, 90, 120, 144, 165, 200, 240 and unlimited. Select your desired FPS limit and hit apply. Once that's done, close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.